Doc Mountain here, and welcome you to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually bind your yellow card to your Niki Live, so that anytime you feel like withdrawing money, you simply tap on withdraw and withdraw the money. So, okay, let's head on to Niki. So what you do is you head on to Niki. When you're in, what you see is actually the tabs. Okay, those are the peaks of the people who've gone live. Now what you need to do is you click the profile tab. The profile tab is the one which is in the bottom right corner. There is a word here. Now ARA, where there is ARA, that's where you have to click. When you get here, you see the beans up there. Don't click exchange. When you click exchange, all the beans you've accumulated, the one you've swiped for will be converted back into coins, and there will be a deduction. So you're likely to run at a loss. So click on the beans, not on exchange. So when you get here, they'll show you the amount of beans that you have. So at the far end of the beans there's an arrow. Click it. Click it. Hey, come on. Okay, beautiful. So now, bear in mind that you're withdrawing, you're not exchanging. Click withdraw. Okay, so now they're saying add payment method. You click add. So far we have $10. So now when you get here, you have to choose the method. So for USDT, you need to click bind, and then you will see where they will say paste the wallet. Then the network should be TRC20. Okay, you click USDT. So then how do you now get the USDT e-wallet? What you do is you go back to yellow card. Okay, so when you punch in your password, your PIN, you will see that which I'm seeing right now. So there's ZK, there's B. You simply swipe left, then you see T. So that's the USDT wallet. So when you get here, when you open it, what you need now to click is receive. On those tabs, there's buy, sell, send, and receive. You click receive, then click copy. When you copy, you can now head back to Niki, and then you paste that e-wallet address, and this is bound. Now I had done that some time back, so I don't want to bind yellow card with my Niki Live account. What I want to do is I want to bind my Epay account. Equally, the same steps I've actually demonstrated are the same steps you have to take when you're trying to bind your Binance account with Niki Live. Okay, so now let me just bind my Epay. Okay, so here for Epay, all you have to do is you simply punch in the email address that you registered with Epay when you were opening an account. And then you submit it. Okay, beautiful. So we are sure that's correct. We confirm. And boom, here we are. So for Epay, there is no charge. So I'm gonna just punch in the number of beans that I want to withdraw. Okay, but I'll caution you, stick to what you know. I know Epay, and mostly when I withdraw money from Niki, the money that gets into Epay, I simply use it to buy coins that I sell to people on Popo as well as Taka. So now if you happen to withdraw $10 and you really want to use it, you won't be able to withdraw it, because on Epay you can only withdraw money when it's $20 or above. So don't use Epay, stick to yellow card. Yellow card is actually easy to manipulate. So here we go. I can now confirm the withdrawal. So the operation is successful, and boom, I remain with 0.08. So that's how we withdraw money from Niki. The same steps I've taken, yes, the same steps that you have to take when you're withdrawing with these other e-wallets. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share the video with those who are in need. Don't forget to like and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you so much, Stars.